Good morning, guys. Yes, we slept over at Shilojo Hills Cliffs last night, and a beautiful morning. Got up early. Oh God, I've got my naughty monkeys here. We'll see if my snakes deter them. And Renier is inside for Yurt trying to fix the electricity. We've decided we Hakuna Matata was too long now, and because if we shake the Yurt, the electricity goes on, but when we stand too long, it goes off again. So luckily it sounds like, lucky or unlucky, like a loose connection. So Renier is trying to find that for us. Oh God, they're naughty. Oh, I've got my snakes up. We see what they do. All the food is gone. Look at that. They are so naughty. It's two of them. I think we're in their favorite food tree because it does bear some berries. I see you. But yeah, he pretends not to see me. I think we need to put our electronic devices away. Okay, Renier? And Renier's sense of humor is not too bright at this stage, so we won't talk to him. We found the little problem. If you know, you will know.